Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming permissions. You need owner or full control to change sharing and settings. Once confirmed, open the Sharepoint site and go straight to the document library containing the file. Select the single file or multiple files with the checkboxes, and then click the ellipsis or the Details pane to access actions. Make sure to work in the library view, not OneDrive, so your changes apply to the site copy. This gets you ready to set read-only controls immediately. Next, open Manage Access for the selected file or folder so you can change who can do what. Remove any edit permissions for users or groups, and replace them with Can View to enforce read-only behavior. If the item inherits permissions from a parent, stop inheriting permissions when you need folder-level control, then modify the explicit permissions. Once done, confirm external links and sharing links are set to view only. These steps lock editing while keeping the file accessible. To finish, verify the change by opening the file as a viewer. Use another account or an incognito browser to be sure you see read-only behavior. If you need stricter guarantees, enable information rights management or apply a PowerShell script for site-wide enforcement. Make sure to update any sharing links to view only and communicate the change to stakeholders. If edits are still possible, check permission inheritance, shared links, and group memberships. This is the key troubleshooting tip to resolve lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.